In this video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify email marketing. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Marketing and select Campaigns. If Shopify email isn't already installed, you'll be prompted to add it to your store. Next, click Create Campaign and choose Shopify email. Select a template that matches your goal, such as promoting products, announcing a sale, or sending a newsletter. After that, customize the email by updating the subject line, adding your logo, editing the text, and selecting the products or collections you want to feature. Shopify can automatically pull products from your store, making the process much faster. Now choose your recipients. You can send the email to all subscribers or target specific customer segments based on factors like purchase history, location, or customer behavior. Next, preview your email and send a test message to yourself. Review the layout, links, and content to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, either send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. After sending the email, return to the marketing section to monitor performance. You can track metrics such as opens, clicks, conversions, and revenue generated from the campaign. Finally, create regular email campaigns to stay connected with your customers and encourage repeat purchases. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Shopify email marketing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.